You seriously had to ask, didn't you?
It's okay. Tara, it's fine. Hey, I want my fan to be famous. I put him on a mission. I want a fan for outside, but we can't find one that has small enough blades because of the door.
Oh, okay. So you need short blades?
I need really short blades.
I don't know, like, the closest that I could find is like 32 inches, but I don't really know of an outdoor fan with 32 inches. Maybe I could ask my Facebook friends, my Facebook buddies.
If he finds one, to pass it along to you and let me know.
Okay. And he will look. He will definitely look. Hi. Bud? Where's your car?
It's like exactly 2 hours.
I haven't had a dog jump on me.
It's been what,
I missed.
I was gonna say, wait, if your dog jumps on you, does it knock you over?
Oh, yeah.